Mrs. Melnick, this Eisenhower former daughter-in-law, is that correct? Correct. And what you're suing her for is fourth return of some Applian stat you say are yours? Yes, Your Honor, and are in her possession. Yes, Your Honor. How long? Were you married to? Is that you're the son? Papers shuffling. Yes, ma'am, I'm Tim. Mrs. Melnick, yes, this is my son. Judge Judy, your last name? Mangan. Sit down. How long were you married to him? 7 years. Judge Judy, and you have 2 children. 3. 3 children. So, Ms. Melnick, you want to tell Mooey you think these Apley and Sarah worth suing your former daughter-in-law for? Well, Wenthy wanted to buy my home, which was worth $515. They tried to assume the mortgage, and they couldn't, okay? And I have the original agreement. None of my appliances went with the home. Melinda sent a letter on November 10th. Judge Judy. Okay? So, let's start. Okay, when they were married, they wanted to purchase your home, right? Judge Judy, right? Melinda did. Not your son. No, she did. Okay, and the appliances did not go with the house? No, they did not. Okay, but you left them in the house. Yes, and what was the arrangement? My son will tell you. Judge Judy? No. You tell me. You're the plaintiff. Okay? It? Would not I let M use the Muntel? They would purchase their owner whatever they needed to do. If they wanted to purchase appliances, that is the way it went. Is that right? No, we had another house, and we bought her house Becco's. She couldn't afford it anymore. She some reason won't work, and her other son moved into our second home. And she cried, Faith doesn't have any appliances and this and that. We left our appliances. Over at that house for Hyman, she says that we could have her appliances. So he could have appliances? Oh, okay. 'Cause I didn't quite understand that youtered over your old house to the plaintiff's other son? Yeah, he's renting it from my ex-husband. Okay, and that other house was in his name. Melinda M. Emham, Judge Judy, your former husband's name? Yes, and you left all of your appliances there. Yes, so when you moved into your mother-in-law's house, you had her appliances. Melinda M. A. Mem. Fine, then, there came a time when you were supposed to exchange these appliances, is that right? Judge Judy? Yes. Melinda and Mrs. Melnick? Yes, that's right. And you say you returned a refrigerator first? Yes. I had hired movers to return these things. How old was your Melinda has been? She beat me up, 1994. Melinda chuckling, I have the restraining order. She beat me up. I have. Judge Judy, Ms. Melnick, she's caused nothing but trouble with the family. Ms. Melnick. She has a restraining order against you. Is that right? That's correct. Now, so your other son was living in the house and you ordered to move her to take over the refrigerator from the old house to her house? Did you look at the refrigerator first? No, I was not allowed to go near any of that area because of the restraining. I didn't ask you whether you looked at it in her house. I asked you whether you looked at it in your son's house. No, Your Honor. Well, she says that refrigerator delivered in deplorable condition. It was filthy. It had mold in it, and it had dead fly in it, and she refused to accept it. Why are you raising your hand? Did you see the refrigerator? Yes, Your Honor. At your brother's house. Tim? Yes, Your Honor. Step up here. Thank you. Prior Tuth furniture to be delivered. I also cleaned the refrigerator and everything else, and then Melinda refused it and returned back files. Shuffling to my brother's house, they recleaned it again. Gavel thudding, distantly exciting music.